Hello and welcome to the presentation of the billing module for ERPmine. So from version 2.5, the time and attendance module has been renamed to ERPmine. So our goal is to transform this app into an ERP for services industry. So so this version includes the billing module. So let's just see how billing module works within ERPmine. So as soon as you've installed version 2.5, so you should see settings for billing under plugin settings. So first thing you want to do is enable the billing module here, and then if you want to set up auto generation of invoices, the following these four fields needs to be set up. Say it is you want auto generated, and say you want that monthly generated monthly, and if it's a weekly auto generation, say which day you want to generate, you can set up a prefix for your generated invoice numbers, and likewise for contract numbers also you can set up your prefix. And then since this is I think some of the users will probably be using this module um, in the middle of their Redmine installation, meaning they might have been using Redmine for a long time and then they've installed or started using the billing module after some time. So you want to set up a date from which you will be generating invoices from, and that is what the setting is for. And then so for the invoices are of two types, which is the time and material and fixed cost. For time and material uh, billing on a project, it's going to actually use the spend time to calculate the number of hours and then use that to generate the invoice items. So to tie the spend time and the invoices, so you want to create a custom field in spend time and then configure it here. Likewise, for the billing rate can actually come from project or users. So again, you can create those custom fields in project and also in users, depending on where you want the billing rate to come from. And then you specify which of your user group is the billing admin group. And the last section is the invoice components, which you will see in the invoice report. So these are the components we've defined. So whatever components you need in your invoice report, you just set them as key value pair or name value pair here, and they would appear on the invoice. Okay, so this is the settings you need to perform before you start using the billing module. Let me go to the billing module. So starting from version 2.5.2, you should see a tab for billing, and these are the invoices which are generated. To generate invoice, select the billing period and then click on this generate invoice, which should generate these invoices for you. And so before generating invoices, you have to create some other entities. Like you want to create your accounts first. So accounts are the clients you're servicing for. So these are the accounts you've set up. So and once the accounts are set up, so you can associate projects within those accounts. So projects themselves are created within Redmine. So you want to use this tab to associate projects within the account, and also set up properties like uh, if apply tax and itemized billing and all that. So let me just look at one of the billable projects here. So we've associated this project to this account, and then we're saying we need an itemized bill, and then if you want tax to be applied, you select this, and it'll tell you which of the taxes you want to apply. Now I'm going to take that out. And also projects are of two types: time and material and fixed cost. For time and material, it's going to work uh, the invoice from the spend time. But with the fixed cost, we will have to set up the billing schedules here. So the invoice will get generated from these billing schedule. Just make it back to time material. So these are the billable project setup for each of those accounts. And then so most projects, I mean, you are going to sign contracts for each of the accounts, so you can set up those contracts also here. Pretty much say for which account or project you've signed those contracts, and say what date or the contract started or you signed. And so these will be used in the invoice report. Okay, so these are the invoices which we generated. Let me look at detail invoice. So these are the details of that invoice. So you can edit them. If you want to add a new item, you just click on this add new. You can create a new item within that invoice. And this is an time and material invoice. So you can see the project. This is actually the issue which they worked on, and it gives you the rate, the quantity, the total amount, and all that. So if you want to run the report, or you just click on this print invoice report. So this is the invoice which you can print, and so the components which you defined in the configuration, those are the ones which will get printed in this report. So this is pretty much it on the billing module. Hope you all like it. Please take a look at it and start using them. So if you all have any questions, please contact us, or if you need any help or any support in setting up your environment, or any help you need with customization, please contact us. We'll be happy to help you guys. Thank you. Have a nice day.